of launch. Uh-oh. That would be our feet being... Kayla, I can't feel my feet. Hey, that's my wallet down there. Holy bejesus! Holy crap! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy Jesus! I met God! Holy bejesus! Oh, that's backwards! Oh, I don't feel good! I don't feel good! Oh! Hello again, it's me! Oh, yeah, why slow down now? Why slow down now? Oh, I think I pooped. Oh, yeah, that's, it's not worth it, don't get on. Mommy. That was like after a good night of... Welcome. Oh. Hey. Hi, camera. Thanks, man. That was awesome. You too. That's going to be quite the video. Me screaming like a girl. Holy crap. Was that good or what?